Good morning, students. So, in the last class, we have already discussed many things about the financial management. Till now, 3 to 4 classes we have already covered, and in that classes we have already discussed the scope, functions, and others concept of the financial management. Today, basically, we have to discuss about the goals of the business finance. Okay, goals of the business finance. Or we can say that is the objectives of the financial management. This one is basically, we know that is financial management. The important objectives of this subject depend upon the financial manager. The objectives of the financial management or the goals of the business financial management is mostly highlighted on the two things. We can say decide that is the what? That is profit maximization. And second is that is the wealth maximization. So what is this profit? So we know that is the whole the business runs, the activities of the business or the sustainability of the business. Many more functions are depend upon the profit. One thing we may have a clear cut, the owner gives the full duty to the financial management or the full rights to the financial management, who is full, that is our main important task is how to make the profit. Normal profit is not, we can say about the normal profit, you cannot grow. If you say about the profit maximization, all the business, all the business focus on the first, that is the profit maximization. Because the profit maximization is only whatever highlights or that is the growth, the sustainable and the employees benefit, and another that is whatever revenue growth, all the things that is lies on the profit maximization. If you say, if the business enterprise do not think of the maximization of the profit, the function of the business enterprise or the organization is very limited. I mean to say, the first target is that of the profit maximization. We know that profit maximization, how it is? It is not a function of only one person. It is a overall function of a management. That is, if you think the profit comes from that of the suppose sales and marketing, or that is the income sources, the cash inflows, other part of the management will control on the expenses. That is also the lead to that of the way to that of the profit maximization. So generally, if they will think, because they are spending all the money, they are spending all the resources what they have. And obviously, that is focus on the profit maximization. So profit maximization cannot be ignored, cannot be away from that is the goal of the business finance or one of the primary or that is the objective of the financial management. Okay. So profit, when they are talking about the profit maximization, they are talking about many things. Sometimes they ignore time, they ignore dividend policies, they ignore that is what we can say that is the extra expenses. Okay. So many things are there, but there are also so many ways how to that is maintain the profit maximization. It was the primary role of the financial manager, and later we will discuss about all that is how that is the from the whole of both that is what are the main objectives are the best on these two things. My dear friends, the profit only brings the incomes. The profit only that is lead to the growth of the organizations. The owner is who is spending or investing the money, he will not keep silent. If the financial management will not that is showing the aspect of that, sorry, the result of the profit. Okay. So it is also depend upon the so many people, those who are related to the financial services, and they have to look out that is at work. Anyway, they have to show the margin of the profit, because margin of the profit is also that is going year by year increasing. It may not be decreased. That you have to keep it. Okay. This is the first category you have to receive. Then another when you are discussing about that is the another function that is the wealth maximization. What is the wealth maximization? So wealth maximization is what? How to increase the wealth. See, अगर हमारे पास कुछ पैसा नहीं आता है तो हमें दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे देखेंगे, दूसरे प्लान को कैसे देखेंगे, दूसरे बिजनेस को कैसे देखेंगे? अगर ठीक है, अगर प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन अगर चाहता है, अगर सफिशिएंट है, अगर देयर इज व्हाटएवर इट इज a good looking, then we can say that it is some portion of the profit maximization will definitely go to the wealth maximization, to the owners, to the proprietor, who will help. It will help in the expanding the business. It will help in the sustainability of the business. So unless this is not there, means we cannot fetch to this wealth maximization. Okay. So side by side, these are the two main objectives of the goals, that is the objectives of the financial management or the goals of the business finance. Okay. My dear students, these are the two interrelated. If we will combine these two things, that is we will say that is the one of the objectives, that is the of financial management. We cannot ignore any one of the things. Okay, if this gets the sufficient funds for this the development or the growth, that is also to be there. Some portion of the investment should be there, in which that is so many things will be depend on the things and so many factors, that is how one can be achieve these two things that you have to burn in the mind. My dear students, in order to get two things, one of that is very important point you have to discuss here. That is first is what happened apart from that of the profit maximization and that of the wealth maximization. That is another. That is the what? That is the revenue generation. revenue generation is one of the very important, that is objectives of the financial management or the goals of the business finance. Unless income will not come, or the cost of controlling of the cost will not be in the enterprise or the organization, the business cannot be generated, or that the incomes, the revenue cannot be generated. If the sales and the marketing teams, they are engaging in the selling the product where they will generate the incomes or they generate the revenue in other way, we have to discuss that in the internal sector of the management. They have to see that is unnecessary expenditures and unnecessary expenses must be stopped in order to maximize the profit. So generation or the revenue generation is one of the very important function where or the goals of the business finance, which is the very that is we have to keep the top of the objectives. Okay. So another, that is what friend, another, that is we have to discuss the profit margin. जो भी बिजनेस चलने वाले से लेकर बड़े बिजनेस, they always fixing the margins. Either that may be fulfilled or may not be, it may be different. But we have to keep it in the mind, the profit margin must be there. Otherwise, the goals cannot be achieved. Okay? Means, if we will say about the profit margin, see, suppose every year they are comparing the profits, the net profits, or the gross profit, whatever may be, they are comparing, and they are comparing that is how much percentage it is increased or decreased. And always the business organization there, that is, they are seeing that is the profit margin must be, that is, increased. It should not be decreased. We know, अगर हमारा पॉकेट से कुछ पैसा अगर चले जाता, हम कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं और वो लोग कैसे क्यों रिएक्ट नहीं करेंगे? That you have to think it. And generally, that is whatever may be there, if अगर ये जनरेशन, रेवेन्यू जनरेशन किसी माध्यम से भी आए, तब प्रॉफिट को भी कुछ लिंक होना चाहिए. प्रॉफिट को पूरा लिंक होता है और ये प्रॉफिट को भी ग्रोथ करने के लिए डेवलप होता है. प्रॉफिट का ग्रोथ होने के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है. ओके, अगर जनरेशन नहीं होगा तो प्रॉफिट मार्जिन भी नहीं बढ़ पाएगा. प्रॉफिट मार्जिन को भी देखना चाहिए. कितना भी, चाहे वो वेल्थ के ऊपर जाए या in order to survive the growth of survival the business or to run the business, whatever may be, that you have to see, that is, if there is a revenue generation is there, but that must be a profit margin, because the profit margin is always related to this revenue generations. Okay, कॉमन बात है. अगर रेवेन्यू नहीं आता है तो प्रॉफिट कैसे लेंगे? रेवेन्यू आता है तो किस लेवल से आता है, हमें प्रॉफिट को देखना चाहिए. ओके, दैट वे टू, बिकॉज द बिजनेस ऑलवेज, द ओनर्स ऑलवेज सीज दैट इज द प्रॉफिट मस्ट बी देयर. ओके, आता है, अगर एट पार हो गया मतलब प्रॉफिट नहीं है, तो मतलब वो वेल्थ मैक्सिमाइजेशन भी नहीं हो सकता है. दैट वे टू थिंक इट. ओके, सो अनदर वी कैन से दैट इज द व्हाट हैपन मैनेजिंग, दैट इज द operational activities. What is this? ये कोई अगर सॉल प्रोप्राइटरशिप का बिजनेस लेंगे भी, वो अगर कंट्रोल बाय द वन मैन, but many activities are there. In order to run the business, that is what we have to comes with the many activities day by day, and that is overcome by the what revenue generations, or that should be the given by the profit margins. The day-by-day activities, what we can say, that is, in case of the business finance, already in last classes we have discussed. That is one is the fixed capital, okay, and another is the working capital. We know, okay, and the working capital is the managing operational activities. In order to manage or in order to do the day-by-day business or activities, day-by-day running of the business functions, that is financial or business finance is very, very essential, and that is only can be overcome or can be fulfilled by the generating the whatever revenue or from the profit maximization. So we cannot ignore these things. We have to take the very highly methods, okay, highly way or very important way when we are discussing about the things. And another we can say that is the productivity and efficiency. What is the productivity and efficiency? क्या बिजनेस कर रहे खाली या बिजनेस ओपन करके बैठेंगे, कुछ भी प्रोडक्टिव नहीं होगा, कुछ जो भी वर्क होता है, जो भी ऑपरेशन होता है, जो भी कार्य होता है वहां पे वो प्रोडक्टिव होना चाहिए, ताकि प्रोडक्टिव होने से ही रेवेन्यू जनरेट हो सकता है। और इससे बनाने के लिए दैट इज इन ऑर्डर टू मेक द प्रोडक्टिव वर्क और प्रोडक्टिव फंक्शन, दैट इज बिजनेस फाइनेंस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर if revenue is there, then productive work can be also done, or productive work can be also be there. Okay, productivity के साथ साथ efficient भी होना चाहिए, efficient the good managed, should not be avoid the wastage all the things. Okay, because if the unproductive work and inefficiency means that is the generation, the revenue or the profit margin will be go down. We have to take care of that things. The productive, in order to generate more and more income, the work should be productive or the business function should be productive and efficiency. Or you can another say, we could say the revenue generation only means that is the productive function as well as the efficiency in the flow of the works, or whatever may be efficient systems is also be required in order to generate the high revenue, or that is mostly done with the financial management. Okay, so another we can say that is the what sustainability. So in case of sustainability, what happened? What do you mean by the sustainability? Sustainability means that is there should be a growth, there should be a development, there should be a mostly stagnant in that of the profit, not there should not be a loss. जिंदा रहने के लिए चीज खाना चाहिए ना, बिजनेस ऑपरेशन को भी जिंदा रहने के लिए हमें फाइनेंस या बिजनेस फाइनेंस की जरूरत है, और या फाइनेंस की जरूरत है। प्रॉफिट भी चाहिए, नहीं तो दैट इज सस्टेनेबल नहीं हो पाएंगे, मार्केट में टिक नहीं कर पाएंगे, या खड़े नहीं हो पाएंगे, या we cannot challenge to our opponents. Okay, there is a complete, there may be chances of the shutdown of the business if there is a no profit maximization. Okay, profit maximization होगा तो ही हमें कुछ पैसे को डाइवर्ट करेंगे वेल्थ मैक्सिमाइजेशन को, वेल्थ बढ़ाने के लिए, और कुछ डाइवर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज हमें प्लांट को बढ़ाने के लिए मोर एंड मोर इन ऑर्डर टू ऑक्यूपाई द होल द मार्केट. ओके, सो सस्टेनेबल कैसे आ सकता है? सस्टेनेबल क्यों कैसे होगा? अगर प्रॉफिट अगर ज्यादा हो तो, अगर दैट इज रेवेन्यू जनरेशन ज्यादा हो तो. ओके, सो दिस इज आल्सो the financial management peoples, they have to think about the sustainability of the business. Otherwise, if they will not see all the things, or that is the profit goes on decreasing, it means there is a great danger to that of the what business organization. At the time, some businesses also shut down due to the what loss. That we have to think it also. We should not ignore these things. Okay. So another point that is we have to discuss is that is about customer satisfaction. कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन क्यों होते हैं? कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई कैसे किया जाए? आज सब कंपनी डिस्काउंट देते हैं, जो भी कुछ ऑफर होता है दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबल फॉर द प्रॉफिट. अगर प्रोडक्ट का भी कुछ चेंजेस लाता है, प्रोडक्ट का डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, that is also with the help of the profit. if profit नहीं है तो कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाएंगे, ना कस्टमर को डेवलपमेंट कर पाएंगे, ना प्रोडक्ट कस्टमर को चाहत को भी फुलफिल कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, प्रोडक्ट भी डेवलपमेंट नहीं कर पाएंगे. पहले हमें देखना चाहिए हमारा प्रोडक्ट अगर कस्टमर ले रहे, कस्टमर क्या चाहता है, किस क्वालिटी का चाहता है. अगर प्रॉफिट ज्यादा होने से अगर डिस्काउंट के बदले में अगर कुछ प्राइस को कम करेंगे तब भी वो हो सकता है, प्रॉफिट भी जनरेट हो सकता है. प्रोडक्ट का इंप्रूवमेंट करना चाहिए हमें. वी हैव टू स्पेंड लार्ज money on that is the research and development, mostly not in the case of the only business organization or to develop the business. It is also relevant to that of the what happened, that is customer, because product development must be there, product quality must be there, product quantity must be there. That is only possible it is in the case of the what happened, if the profit is generated or if the profit is there. प्रॉफिट अगर नहीं है तो हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. ओके, अपने लिए तो दूर, कस्टमर के बारे में छोड़ो. सो वट एवर मे बी ऑल द थिंग्स आर डिपेंड अपॉन दिस प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन एंड दैट इज आल्सो रिलेटेड टू दैट ऑफ द व्हाट हैपन, दैट इज वेल्थ. बिकॉज साइड बाय साइड दीज आर द बोथ टू थिंग्स दे आर कमिंग इन सेम जस्ट अ पैरेलल वे. ओके, मिडिल रास्ते के बीच में अगर प्रॉफिट अगर मैनेजमेंट जा रहे हैं, बिजनेस फाइनेंस जा रहे हैं, साइड बाय साइड में एक किनारे में प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन जा रहे हैं और दूसरे में दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज वेल्थ मैक्सिमाइजेशन भी जा रहे हैं. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अनदर थिंग यू हैव टू सी इट, दैट इज रिटर्न ऑन द कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट. रिटर्न ऑन द कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट. Yes, see, investors, owners, those who have invested large amount of money on the business, they want some returns. That we can say that is the ROI. Unless they will not get anything, why they will spend large amount of money? to the business. Because they are saying that is the sustainability is only direct depend to that of the investors. Yeah, they will not secure their money. They will feel insecure if the profit is not generated. खाली इन्वेस्टमेंट करते जाएंगे, कुछ नहीं रिटर्न मिलेगा तो कैसे होगा? So definitely they will bother about it. आजकल तो इन्वेस्टमेंट जो कर रहे हैं ना, जो इन्वेस्टर्स जो कर रहे हैं, वो देखते हैं कि इसका रिटर्न्स कितना होता है, इसका मैंने कंपनी का बैकग्राउंड देखते हैं, बिजनेस का बैकग्राउंड देखते हैं, या हमें पैसा रिटर्न कर पाएगा ना नहीं, अगर वो करेंगे तो कितना इंटरेस्ट में आएंगे, ये सभी देखना पड़ता है. अगर इफ यू नॉट सी दिस थिंग, देन इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट दैट इज टू गेट ए सिंगल पाई ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट. So all the investors, all the company that is owners, all the business owners, proprietors, those persons who are giving or putting their money, definitely they will say that some returns must be there. Unless some returns will not come, means they will not invest. They will not. That is because they are utilizing their money. They are growing their money by investing all their money. So that is what we have to see. That is this is ROI must be there, and this function is possible if the revenue is there or if the profit margin is also there. Okay. So another that is what happened. We can say that is the employee benefit. अगर बिजनेस अगर चल रहा है, प्रॉफिट अगर आ रहा है, इट मस्ट दैट इज ऑल द क्रेडिट गोज टू दैट ऑफ द मे बी द एम्प्लॉय. आई एम थिंकिंग यस इट इज. एम्प्लॉय का बेनिफिट दैट इज बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और द बिजनेस फाइनेंस और that is the owners should think. If that is the employees will be dissatisfied, naturally we will see that is the whatever may be the profits are there, that will be in vain. We will face the loss. उनको फेयर वेजेस मिलना चाहिए, सैलरी मिलना चाहिए, और so many fringe benefits are there that we have to provide by the company. Extra there is monetary benefits we have to give it them. You have to see their standard of life, all the things. Because आजकल कंपनी बड़े बड़े कंपनी वो उनके बच्चों को भी रीडिंग फैसिलिटीज भी दे रहे, उनका जो कि हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज भी देख रहे. सभी फंक्शन कैसे हो सकता है अगर ये प्रॉफिट नहीं होगा तो? इफ यू डू नॉट गेट एनी प्रॉफिट, इफ यू डू नॉट गेट एनी रेवेन्यू मच मोर देन दैट ऑफ द मार्जिन, then we will not also satisfied to our employees, and definitely that is the down of the business will be follow, and definitely our name and जो भी हमारे पास सब कुछ है वो भी चला जाए. ओके. सो एम्प्लॉय भी सेटिस्फेक्शन होना जरूरी है. एम्प्लॉय को भी बहुत सारा फैसिलिटीज इंक्रीमेंट वगैरह करना चाहिए. मैं जो पहले से बता चुका हूँ, मॉनिटरी बेनिफिट या फ्रिंज बेनिफिट और डेली अलाउंसेस व्हाटएवर मे बी आर देयर regarding all types of that is growth in the salary, all the things we have to see, and that is only possible if there is a what revenue or income is there, or that is the profit must be there. और प्रॉफिट मार्जिन से ज़्यादा कम हुआ तो हम ये भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. दैट इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. एंड अनदर दैट इज contingency or emergency plan. If the profit is generating, so definitely we'll keep some, or we'll think of some savings. The profit only save in the drastic conditions of the business or in the contingency period of the business, because we know that is the risk is, that is the business is always risk factor. How we will overcome from that of the business, that is the risk, or there is some emergency, or that is the contingencies. If the maximum profit is available, if there is a maximum profit is available, then we should overcome from this what contingencies or the emergencies. Unless हम भी डूबते जाएंगे, कंपनी भी डूबते जाएंगे, और there is no, that is जो कि ग्रोथ है या totally the company or organization will shut down. So we have to think it. That is what happened. Whatever the profit is there, round back of profit word है, हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. क्यों होते हैं? घर पे सेविंग करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं? अगर मुझे अगर 100 रुपया अगर मिला, तो अगर मैं 80 रुपया खर्चा करके 20 रुपया में रख दूं, सेविंग करके, बिना उसे गिनती करके या बिना उसे नजर देकर रखूं, तो अल्टीमेटली व्हेन द सम टाइम विल कम, व्हेन आई विल फेस एनी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स और एनी drastic conditions or some emergency situations will arise, then I will bring that money and use it. If for a common layman it is what we can say, that is the saving, that is the for higher business is also the very important. Retaining, earning, that is this thing, words we have to keep it in our mind. अर्निंग से कुछ ऐसा रखना चाहिए ताकि बाद में यूज कर सकें. बार बार क्रेडिटर के पास हाथ फैलाना अच्छा नहीं होता है. अगर कुछ है तो व्हाई नॉट वी विल यूज इट, दैट टू थिंक इट. ओके, सो अनदर पॉइंट, दैट इज व्हाट व्हेन वी कैन से, दैट इज द लीडरशिप एंड द मैनेजमेंट. What is this leadership and the management? So, leadership is only possible when there is an organization where all the workings are going on, where there is a large amount of profit is also there. These financial force, that is the goal of the financial function or the objective of the financial management is also running by the, or that is the team effort. We can say that is the leadership must be there to follow this work in order to gain more and more profit. Management must be also there in order to look over there is the losses to be stopped, or how the losses will be overcome, or that is there is a completely in the increasing the profit levels, that is all depend upon the what, that is the leaders or management of the financial management. Okay, indirect, that is direct, we can say that is the boss, this we can say the financial managers, the financial experts, the owners, all the people, they are directly involving in this things. They are directly looking to that of the both profit maximization as well as the wealth maximization. Unless this cannot be what happened control, or this cannot be achieved. So we have to think about it. That is how we have to generate these things. So both the people's top management, or that is the whoever may be the ownership, The ownership may not be involved in the business functions, but directly they are all, the owners is always looking to that of the business. Either my business, that my investment money is in safe or not. Why these things? In order to achieve all these functions, that is proper management must be there. That is proper leadership quality must be there. Otherwise, we will not, that is, achieve our goals. So this is the mainly most about the goals of the business finance or the objectives of the financial management. So my dear students, we have noted that is from this all the topics, from all the 10 points, whatever we have discussed, that is from this 10 points we got two things. We got two things. One is that is your what? Profit maximization, and another is that is your what point? That is wealth maximization. क्योंकि हमें पहले से ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Okay. So all these functions, it is only related to that of the what? That is profit maximization and the wealth maximization. Okay, so this is the very important. Okay, all the functions whichever we will discuss, that is it will related to these two main important objectives of the finance management that we have already discussed, and later on the next class we will discuss many more things about these things. Okay, thanks, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe. Okay.